Hello and welcome back everybody to the A to Z Sparky, where we offer tips and tricks. We show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. It's real raw and uncut. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to stick around to the end, please. Leave a comment and enjoy. First thing you're going to want to do is pop your cover off. Make sure not to break your tabs or it won't go back on like it belongs to. After that, I'm going to back out my screws. You don't have to take these out all the way, just enough to turn your fixture. You're going to turn your fixture counterclockwise and you can pop it right off like I'm doing here. If you don't take your fixture all the way down, make sure and don't let the battery fall out. Very easy to do. This is an easy fix here. In this box, I've only got a constant hot and a switch leg. They tied the power in to the switch leg from the photo cell. Obviously, that's not wrong. The exit lights need constant power. And then if power ever goes out, they have a transfer switch and the battery backup, will take over. When you make your joints, give them a little tug and make sure they're in there. Make sure when you put your exit light back up, you're not pinching any of the wires. And then I find it easier, I'll take and tighten my bottom right screw till it's pretty tight. Then I'll put my level on it and you can adjust it and it'll stay in position for the most part. That's what works for me. Let me know how you do it. Once I get my fixture tight and it's level, then I'm going to make sure all my bug eyes are plugged in, make sure my battery's plugged in to the correct spot. And then I like to reroute my wires so that you can't see them shining through the exit light. It only takes a minute and it makes the world of difference. Take pride in everything you touch. Let me know in the comments what you might like to see next. I appreciate everybody's time. Y'all have a great day and watch the next video that pops up as YouTube thinks it's the video that's best suited for you. Let me know if this was helpful, please. Thank you.